In this video, I'm going to be covering the new super coupons. It's going to be released on July 20th and running all the way until August 2nd. So you will have a couple weeks to capture these deals. I will be sure to put a link down in the description below that goes right to the super coupons, which they won't be available on the site until July 20th. And in this video, I will show you the top deals to consider. Now let's get started. All right, first up is going to be on the Bauer 4.5-inch paddle switch angle grinder. Has the paddle switch there on the handle part, and then it has this handle where you can switch it on either side. It is 8 amp rated, goes up to 11,500 RPM. Also offers a tool-free guard, which is not on display here. The retail price on that is 50 bucks. And you'll be able to save 20% on that and pick it up for 40. Next deal is going to be on the Hercules Universal Portable Bandsaw Benchtop Stand. It does offer from 0 to 60-degree angle guides. You can use it in vertical or horizontal position, and it's easily mountable. And it also works with most deep cut bandsaws, so it's not just limited to the Hercules ones. The retail price on that is 120 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 100 bucks, and that's saving $20 on that, and that's 17% off. Next deal is going to be on the Hercules 1.25 horsepower variable speed trim router. Obviously, the corded version has a 7 amp motor and a 1/4-inch collet. Goes from 15,000 to 32,000 RPM. The retail price on that is 100 bucks. Then you'll be able to pick it up for 75 bucks, and that's saving $25 on that, and that's 25% off. Next deal is going to be on the Bauer 1/2-inch D-handle drill. So it's going to be drill only, has a keyed chuck, goes from 0 to 1200 RPM, variable speed trigger with it. And the retail price on that one is 60 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 45 bucks, which is saving 25% on it. Next deal is going to be on the Bauer 3-pack of the 7.25-inch circular saw blades. They're 25 teeth with the carbide teeth to them. Retail price on it is 20 bucks, and you'll be able to save $5 on that, which is 25% off, and pick them up for 15. The next deal is going to be on the Hercules 10-pack of the 6-inch cutoff wheels. They're the 16th inch thick, good for cutting steel and stainless steel. It says it offers fast cutting and low vibration. And here's the back of the package with the dimensions. See if it fits your grinder. The retail price on this is 20 bucks. And you'll be able to save 35% on that and pick it up for only $12.99. It's an excellent deal on them. Next up is going to be on the Grant's 5 to 6-inch polishing bonnets. It's a 4-pack of them that you can polish on paint, fiberglass, chrome, and wood. Retail price on it is 6 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 4 bucks, which is saving 33% on it. Next up is decent savings on the Bauer 3 amp variable speed oscillating multi-tool. It is a corded tool. It offers tool-free blade change, and it has an LED light. The retail price on it is 48 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 35 bucks, which is saving 27% on it. It's a good deal. Next up is a pretty good deal on this Bauer 14 gauge 5 amp metal shears. It goes up to 2,700 saws per minute. It has a 3-blade cutter, variable speed. It also offers a 360-degree swivel head on it. Retail price on that one is 65 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 45 bucks, and that is saving 30% on it. That is a good deal on it. And they have a pretty good deal on this Hercules bimetal half moon blade. It's a 4-inch wide one. That'd be good for cutting into wood, drywall, plastic, nail embedded wood, and soft metal. It also offers a universal fit to that, so it accommodates different oscillating tools. Here's a look at the back of the package. So this blade does retail for 12 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 8 bucks, and that's saving 33% on it. So it is a good deal. If you're getting any value from this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and also share the video too with any other tool enthusiasts that you know of. Help spread the word of the deals. Now let's go to the next deal. Now I'll start getting into some hand tools. And this first item, I'm actually surprised it was not on the Dollar Days deals. So they have the 36-inch long of the pickup and reach tool, normally priced at 4 bucks, and it is a good deal at 2 bucks, where you're saving 50% on it. That was going to be a limit of 4. And the next option I could not find in the store, but I did want to make sure I mentioned it because it is a good deal at 50% off. It's on the Pittsburgh of the long reach pliers 2-piece. So you have your options of either the 11-inch straight and 90-degree offset, or the 20-inch offset and 45-degree angle one. So you have a couple different options there for only 6 bucks, saving 50%. And the next Pittsburgh option is going to be on the snap ring pliers with interchangeable heads to it. So you have different options for dealing with snap rings. And here's a look at the back of the package. So you do external use or internal use for snap rings. It has a 90-degree, 45, and straight heads with it. The retail price on this is 5 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 3 bucks, and that's saving 40% on it. It's an excellent deal. Next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh 12-piece punch and chisel set. Has hex-shaped handles to prevent rolling and includes these different chisels and punches. So you take a screenshot, take a look at the list. It's made of carbon steel construction. Here's a closer look at what they look like. So there is a price discrepancy based on the coupon. At my store, they're priced at 17 bucks, but based on the coupon, it mentions it's 15, which based on the coupon price of 15, you'd be able to pick them up for $10. And based on that price of the coupon, you're saving 33% on it. So if your store has them priced at 17, like mine does, your savings is going to be greater than that. Next deal is going to be a good deal, and that is if your store happens to have them in stock. It's going to be on the 10-inch version of the high performance Doyle adjustable wrench. So they have the 12-inch one here, just out of stock on the 10-inch one that the deal is on, in which it is priced at 13 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 9 bucks, and that's saving 30% on it. And I'm not quite sure. Maybe you can let me know down in the comments what makes it high performance. Next up is an Icon deal. It's going to be on the professional hollow shaft nut drivers in both the SAE and metric. So the SAE set ranges from 3/16 of an inch up to a ½ inch, and the metric ranges from 6 millimeter up to 12 millimeter. The retail price for each of them is 35 bucks, and you'll be able to pick them up for 28 bucks. And that's 20% off. Next up is a deal in the US General 15 compartment adjustable pliers rack. And it does hold up to 15 sets of pliers. You can organize a wide range of plier sizes. So these things are adjustable width. And here's the dimensions of the pliers rack. The retail price on this one is 18 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 13 bucks, which is saving 27% on it. So it's an excellent deal. Next deal is going to be on another US General item on the mini toolbox. And the retail price on those are 20 bucks. And you will be able to pick it up for 16 bucks, and that's saving only 20% on it. And usually the better time to be able to pick up these mini toolboxes is when they had the 30% off deal or weekends. Your ITC member where you can save 30% off on it and pick it up for 14. So you would be able to save a couple extra bucks to wait for the next time that happens. Otherwise, go ahead and pick it up for 16. And if you happen to need any ideas for the mini toolbox, I did do a video on different uses that you could use a mini box on. I will be sure to put a link up above to that video in case you're interested in checking that one out. And the next deal is going to be on the Chicago Electric portable adjustable welding table. It is rated up to 350 pounds. It's zinc plated steel work surface. Its size is 30 inches by 19 7/8 working area. It has 5 angle settings to it as well. Retail price on that one is 90 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 70 bucks. That's saving 22% on it. So it is decent savings on it. And the next deal is going to be on this Pittsburgh 1,000-pound engine stand. It's made of all steel construction, 360-degree swivel casters, has a face plate that rotates and locks in place. The retail price on that one is 110 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 85 bucks, and that's saving $25 on it. So there's a decent deal on it. Now, I know some of you have been waiting for a deal on a transmission jack. They have this one by Pittsburgh. It's rated up to 450-pound capacity on the low lift transmission jack. Goes to a max height of 23 5/8 and a minimum height of 7 1/4 inch, and has a tiltable saddle to it. The retail price on this one is 130 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 90 bucks. And that's saving $40 on that, and that's 31% off. It's an excellent deal. And if you happen to be in need of a UTV or ATV winch, they have this one by Badland. It's the ZXR 3500 one. It has a 50-foot steel rope and a 12-foot wired remote. It offers a 23 feet per minute line speed, IP67 rated. The retail price on that one is 140 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 110 bucks, which is saving $30 on that, and that's 21% off. Now, it's not the best deal on it because we have seen in the past, I think it was during a 10 days of deals that they had, I think it was 30% off of all Badland winches. Now, this next item, they don't have a display of it here at the store. It's on the Hallmaster 2 3/4 of a cubic foot steel trailer tongue box for only 100 bucks. It is saving 30 bucks on that, which comes to 23% off. So it is a good deal on it. And the next deal is a pretty good deal on this Maddox 11-piece disc brake pad and caliper service toolkit. It does come in the hard plastic case to keep everything nicely organized in. It does retail at 42 bucks. And you go pick it up for 30 bucks, and that's saving 28% on it. So it is a good deal. And the next Maddox deal is going to be on the 2-piece McPherson strut spring compressor set. It also comes in the hard plastic case to store them in. And the retail price on that one is 40 bucks. And you'll be able to pick them up for 25 bucks, which is saving 34% on it. So it's an excellent deal. I might have to pick up this set because I will be doing a lift kit to the Geo. Next deal is decent savings on this Icon heavy duty U-joint puller kit. You can use up to 1-inch impact wrench on it, and it's rated for class 6, 7, and 8 trucks. So it's definitely heavy duty. Comes with the premium heavy duty storage case. The retail price on that one is $110, and you will be able to pick it up for $90, which is saving $20 on it. And that's 18% off. And if you're looking for a diesel transfer pump, this would be a good time to pick this one up because it's a 12-volt one, normally priced at $140, and you'll be able to pick it up for $100, which is saving $40 on that, and that's 29% off. So it is an excellent deal on it. And then here's some of the details listed about that transfer pump. So 12-volt, quarter horsepower with a ball bearing mount motor, has a 3/4-inch inlet and outlet, and it's a 30-minute per hour duty cycle. They do have other deals that they don't have a display of in the store here. So the first one's on the Hallmaster 1,200-pound capacity, 72-inch by 30-inch convertible aluminum loading ramp for $160, saving $40. That's 20% off. You can also save 20% off on the 1,000-pound rated of the set of 2 loading ramps. And another item they don't have in display at the store, it's on the Hallmaster 3-point quick hitch. Price only $100. It is saving $40, and that's 29% off. So it's an excellent deal on it if you're in the market for something like that. I know some of you have commented in the past looking for deals on motorcycle or ATV lift. Well, they do have this one here. That's the Pittsburgh. It's rated at 1,500-pound. Both ATV and motorcycle lift. Goes to a max height of 16 3/8 of an inch and a minimum height of 4 3/4 of an inch. It does have 4 lockable heights to it, so it makes it more secure. It is priced at $140, and you'll actually be able to pick it up for $110, and that's saving $30 on it, and that's 21% off. And they have a few good extension cord deals in this group of coupons. So they have the Vanguard. It's a 25-foot, 12-gauge one, so this is going to be the heavy-duty cord that you can use for power tools. The retail price on that one is $25, and you can save 20% on that and pick it up for $20. And the next Vanguard option is going to be on this 50-foot garden one. It's 14 gauge, so it's only going to be rated for medium use, so you won't be able to do heavy power tool with it like a table saw or anything like that. It is priced at $28 normally, and you'll be able to pick that up for $20, which is a good deal, saving 28% on it. And they have another 14 gauge option. This one's gonna be on the 25-foot one, indoor outdoor rated one in the orange, medium use. Again, normally priced at $15, and you'd be able to pick that up for just $10, which is saving 33% on it. It's gonna be the best deal on extension cords in this group of coupons. And the next deal is gonna be a good one on this Armstrong. It's good for 37-inch to 70-inch for the large tilt flat panel TV mount. It's rated up to 175-pound capacity and a low profile design. That retail price is $23, and you'd be able to pick it up for $15, which is saving 34% on that. So it's an excellent deal. Next up is a crazy good deal on the Grant's 4-pack of the microfiber cleaning cloths that are the 12-inch by 12-inch ones. And these are the exact packs that they normally offer on a free weekend deal. So you can wait till the next time you get it for free as an option. But they do normally retail for $4, and you will be able to pick it up for $1.29 per pack. And that's saving 67% on it. So it's an excellent deal on it. And that was going to be a limit of 4. And they have a couple good deals on the Vulcan welding wire. This is a 10-pound spool for the gasless flux core welding wire. They have it in both the .035, as well as the .030. Retail price is $80 each, and they do have 2 different coupons for them. So they have it at 37% off. Pick them up for $50. So an excellent deal. So just make sure you get the right coupon for whichever wire you're going to go for. So good deal at $50, saving 37%. And the next deal is going to be on this Ranger face shield. It's the detachable goggle face shield. It has 2 detachable pieces, and it says it's optically correct lens. Normal retail price is $15.49, and you'd be able to pick it up for $10, which is saving 35% on it. So it is an excellent deal. All right, that's going to be all the super coupons I'm going to cover in this video. As I mentioned, I will have a link down in the description below, so you can check them all out and see what other ones you might want to go for. If you did gain any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.